Hey guys, what's going on? Investing Box here, and today we have some very interesting news about the cryptocurrency world. In the past 2 days, the crypto market has recorded a loss of $18 billion as a major cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash dropped by 4 up to 13%. If you watch our last video, we was talking about that Bitcoin is approaching a major support zone, which we show that there is a probably opportunity for a bull market, but we have to see the time we're going to show. If you missed our last video about the Bitcoin analysis, go back and watch it. We explain it, a brief overview from the technical point of view. We did some analysis about the major support, so you can understand better what this means and how you can take advantage of this. Okay, so basically we was observing some drop on the cryptocurrency, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, the major cryptocurrency, and even the small cryptocurrency, because basically they are affected by this downward movement. While Bitcoin ended the day 2 days ago with a 4% decline in its value, the Ethereum and the native cryptocurrency, they went down by 13% against the US dollars, becoming one of the worst performing major cryptocurrency along with NEO. So Ethereum even went down more. We're gonna open the chart just in a few minutes, and basically also some tokens has recorded a big drop in their value on August 11. And most Ethereum-based tokens such as Aion, DigixDAO, WanChain, VeChain recorded, and few more as well, recorded a drop around 14 to 80%. That's a big drop. So basically most tokens which are Ethereum-based suffer this downward movement. And basically you can see the chart of Ethereum. Ethereum have a similar technical analysis like on Bitcoin. We see here that it's approaching some major resistance zone right here. The price is reaching that level of 278, but I believe that it can turn around, but like with Bitcoin, we have to see the time we're gonna show. If the price break that support level and retest it, we may see break even more down on 200, which will be shocking for most people who invested in Bitcoin. But again, like I said in our previous videos, you have to observe this as a long-term investment. Okay, you don't expect buying cryptocurrency and paying your bills in the next week. Okay, so basically Bitcoin is probably the major cryptocurrency, has breaks 50% dominance. For the first time in 2018, Bitcoin, the most dominant cryptocurrency in the global market, has obtained 50% of the market share, securing its year-to-date high on dominance index. Okay, so the sudden increase in the dominance index of Bitcoin, which coincided with the spike in the volume of the Tether, have demonstrated that investors have become interested towards taking high risk and high return trades, mostly to the lack of confidence in the short-term trend of the market, because some big investors take advantage of that opportunity and going very short term. So basically, as well, over the past few weeks, token have lost, like I said, over 50% of the value against Bitcoin, which has also fallen by more than 20% since late July. For instance, EOS, double the Ethereum killer, has dropped down 50% of its market valuation in the past 30 days because of the instability and the volatility in the market. So in the recent months, the volume of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have substantially decreased, and we observed this decrease almost in all of the coins on CoinMarketCap. So that's a major downfall. Basically, as you can see, everything is red. So if Bitcoin falls down, most of the coins going down. So like I said, in the recent months, that volume of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets has substantially decreased. But in the late July, when Bitcoin there is a lot of rumor and promising that will hit the 8,000 mark. Its volume basically near to the 6 billion mark. So we had a slight touch of the 8,000 mark, like there was some giant spike, I think, a few days ago. But this is some extreme volatility happening right now. You have to observe it as a long-term thing. And basically what happened in August 11, the volume of Bitcoin remained below 4.4 billion, while the volume of Tether, a stable coin whose value is hedged to that of the US dollar, has increased to 2.8 billion, more than 1.2 billion higher than the volume of Ethereum. And basically since July, traders have discovered that the price trend of small cap tokens generally follow the price trend of Ripple and the EOS. In the past 24 hours, Ripple and EOS has dropped 11% of their value against the US dollar. So we again observe this major fall in almost every coin. And most people ask themselves, where does the market go next? What will happen? Well, based on our analysis, like I said, if you watch our previous video, Bitcoin and Ethereum is approaching a major support zone. So basically, if the price does not break the support zone, we may observe a bull market. So basically, there is also a lot of rumors that the big guys, the big investors, have pending buy orders on a specific price. So they try to push very hard the price going down. And the little guys, when they got scary, they sell their coins basically, which is totally wrong. And when the price hit a certain level, there is automatic buy orders from robots, and the big investors basically they wait that scarcity mindset to be created in the average person, so they can buy Bitcoin cheaper, or and other cryptocurrency like Ethereum, like Ripple. So basically we think this is more psychological game of patience, which if you understand all the manipulation and all the psychological stuff, this is going to improve in the future, I believe. But right now you don't have to act based on your emotion. You have to be patient. We're gonna see what will happen with our technical analysis, which we was talking about in our previous video about Bitcoin, as well with Ethereum as well. Like I said, Bitcoin is approaching major support zone, and we're gonna see if that support is broken and if the price will retest and continue go down up to 5,000 on the next zone, or it's going straight up and turn into bull market, because we see 3 previous low right here on the chart. Ethereum, it's almost very similar scenario. So there is a high chance to the price will turn around. So like I say, we have to see. This is not a financial advice. I don't say go buy open buy orders, but me personally, I'm not gonna sell my coins. I'm not gonna sell my Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I probably buy some Bitcoins if the price drop even more. Why I'm so confident? Because I believe Bitcoin is the future, and Bitcoin, in my opinion, will do what email has done to the traditional mail posting. So we are moving to digital century. New digital world is forming and everything is going digital. So I believe the digital world will take over everything. So the first time when computers appear, we was laughing that who gonna use that shit, who is going to send emails from his computer. Basically, as you can see right now, every single person have computer, smartphone. Everybody's using the electronic email system, social networks, chat networks. Basically everything is digital, and this is not going back. And I believe this will happen with money as well. And in my opinion, that's inevitable. When it's going to happen, I don't know, but it's already started to happening. So there will be a lot of battle between the banks and the cryptocurrency, but I believe cryptocurrency will take over, because that's the part of the evolution. And a little bit more about the analysis. Basically, because of the overly strong downtrend of the major cryptocurrency, in order for the cryptocurrency market to engage in a large mid-term bull market run, the market will need to bottom out at a lower price range. Okay. On August 10, CCN reported that analysts see Bitcoin testing a major support level, like I said in my previous video, which is at 5,800. That's the major support level on Bitcoin. And if the price movement of Bitcoin in the short term plays out the same way as February and April and May, Bitcoin will likely fall below 6,000. Okay. So for some people, that's a great opportunity to buy more Bitcoins. So in the upcoming days, possibility bottoming out 5,700 up to 5,800, as several analysis suggested, CCN reported. That's the same analysis that we did, and basically we share the same opinion like CCN. But however, falling to secure strong momentum in the higher region of 5,000 could lead Bitcoin testing even 5,500, which may lead to further drop to the cryptocurrency market. So basically, we wait and observe if that support level is going to be broken, or it's going to do a ricochet and continue back up. Alright guys, that was from me. To receive more educational videos about cryptocurrency, about investing, what is going on right now with the cryptocurrency market, the latest news,